Just this amp.
Just that one 2K.
You said you did a 52.
Yeah, we're only using like half of it right now.
So, whoa, echoes in here a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
That means loud.
So, it's actually not my car, it's my cousin's. He's walking around right now.
Okay.
But it's two SounDrive SDA3 15 V2s, 6th Order Bandpass. It's on a single cab 2K for now, and it's got two JY80s because he's on stock all.
So you have a lot of battery bay.
Yeah, I mean, we got plenty. We just got it playing Friday night. Literally the only changes we made from the very first turn on was we threw two roundovers on it real quick. But other than that, it's unchanged.
So 2K, what is it wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm? Okay.
I clamped the very first burp we did. It could have changed a little bit with the roundovers, but it was 1,080 watts. So
that's it. Oh wow, okay. That's pretty good though. That means not too batterized, but yeah.
Like a burning end
beforehand, yeah. It did a 52.7 dash door open at 30 hertz on 1,080 watts.
Really?
Yeah, I was super impressed with it.
52 on that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I was super impressed with it. Especially, I mean, other than the roof, it's got no deadener in the cab at all.
Yeah.
And being super rushed, I mean, it can only go up from here.
That's right. Yeah. Wow. Is that, you think, the way the cone, I mean, the enclosure is on this car?
I think, like, it's kind of a combination of being a relatively efficient design. I mean, the back ported side is a little big, but, I mean, for low power, it's fine. And then on the flip side, like, the box is, like, the same displacement as the cabin. So, you know, I think it does really well for what we have. This is actually the owner. This is my cousin.
Really? What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
Getting a demo of it, man. This is pretty efficient, dude.
Yeah, really.
Dude, does it do hair tricks at all? A little one?
It doesn't, and the window doesn't roll down. With the full door open, it won't.
No, I was just going to say if you rolled the window.
Yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thanks for the demo. I'm going to go look at this amp. At 1 ohm, too.
Yeah.
Wow, that's efficient. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Yep.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Just this amp.
Just that one 2K.
You said you had 52.
Yeah, we're only using like half of it right now. But I'm gonna sell it this month and get like a 6 or an 8K to upgrade. And then by then it should be plenty windy with enough power.
It's pretty windy with how the low power is now. That's pretty good.
It is for sure.
Yeah.
Less than 500 perks up,
happened here?
He hit it with a jigsaw.
Yeah, I was cutting inside this box, and it kind of cut here and just like webbed the whole thing. So.
Okay. Right.
But we still made it.
That's right. Yes, sir.
Awesome.
What is this car called? Considered? I don't know.
It's a Ford Festiva.
Ford Festiva. Okay. All right. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.